My name is Mo Kim. I'm a violinist. I've been playing the violin for 65 somewhat years. It's such a great thing to do because I have a lot of friends coming to hear us play, and it's the best thing. But holding the violin for so many hours, for so many years, have toll in your body. And I do have some aches and pains. I've been working with Aaron for about a year, and he has helped me quite a bit. With my age, I do have some degenerative disc on my neck, and I have pain from there, some shoulder and some hand. I want to keep going. I used to practice 8 to 10 hours a day when I was in school, but now I cannot do that. You have to be realistic because your body doesn't last, and you have to preserve your body, so I try to minimize your playing time. So I cannot practice as much as I like to right now. Well, I have had a lot of help. I did try Feldenkrais, I tried Alexander technique, but I really like Aaron because he does the whole body. Aaron told me that I walk in like this, and then after the session, I walked out like this. So, well, one has to maintain, because even though certain posture is better for you, you don't always think about it and you don't always maintain it. So it's good to come back and maintain,